How I got this knife scary sharp. Pushing down on the test medium and it snapped without registering a single gram. When I received this very beautiful but well-used knife and I did my first test, it took over 480 grams of pressure to cut the test medium. This is not good for a kitchen knife. It should be about 150 grams. The knife was in good condition, just not sharp, so I started straight on my Sharpening 1000 stone. Lots of mad precise strokes. I didn't record it, but I did follow this with a strop, with a 1000 honing compound on. To follow up, I then went mad on the 5000 stone, very precise, lowering my pressure as with every switcheroo. Again, I didn't record it, but I followed this with stropping on a 12,000 grit honing compound. A look under the microscope at, I think this is 10 times magnification. Look at that mirror edge, beautiful. And that boys and girls is